Hey guys, just a quick message for FMCI investors and potential investors. Tonight, the news of the FTC approving the early termination of the waiting period for FMCI and Tattooed Chef to complete their merger has been going around social media and investing circles. All this news means is that the FTC has said, hey, FMCI, Tattooed Chef, you have our blessings, you can go forward with your merger, so long as your shareholders approve of that merger. So what this means for us as investors is that the FTC is out of the way. So of course we still have to wait for the date to be announced for when the shareholder vote will take place. And on that day, the shareholders will vote to approve or reject the merger of FMCI and Tattooed Chef. And if that vote goes through, FMCI and Tattooed Chef will be officially merged. But we don't know that day yet, so we're still waiting for that. But this is big news because the FTC was a big hurdle, and now FMCI and Tattooed Chef can carry on with their operations. Let's take a quick look at what the FTC actually did to approve the merger between FMCI and Tattooed Chef. The Hart-Scott-Rodino Antitrust Improvements Act of 1976 says that the parties must not complete certain mergers, acquisitions, or transfers of securities or assets, including grants of executive compensation, until they have made a detailed filing with the U.S. Federal Trade Commission and Department of Justice and waited for those agencies to determine that the transaction will not adversely affect U.S. commerce under antitrust laws. While parties can carry out due diligence and plan for post-merger integration, they may not take any steps to integrate operations, such as an acquiring party obtaining operational control of the acquired party. So they're pretty much saying, hey, we want to make sure that after your merger, you won't be so big that you will suppress competition and harm consumers. Now that FMCI has cleared this stage of their process, they can go forward and actually take the shareholder vote and then go through the merger if shareholders approve of the merger. The next steps are, first, they have to announce when the shareholder vote will be, and then actually take that vote and complete the merger. So we're still waiting for the date of the vote. Once that comes through, I'll let you know, and we can expect the share price to go up from here. People are gaining trust now that because the government has said, okay, you get the green check, you can go forward with your merger if your shareholders agree. Once that's done, the merger should go through swiftly. So we're at ftc.gov. I'll have the link down below so that you can take a look for yourself. But what this is basically showing us is the FTC has gone through and approved the early termination of the waiting period that companies must go through before they can be approved for merger. And what we see here is that the acquired party is Salvatore Galletti, who is the founder of the company, and the acquiring party is former merger 2 corporation FMCI. And the status of this early termination is granted, and that was done on July 7th, 2020, which was last night or yesterday. So the news is coming in late, but we now know that the FTC has approved for FMCI and Tattooed Chef to go forth. So let's take a quick look at FMCI and my stock portfolio, and already we can see that in the last day, let's see, the news came out sometime after hours, and we can see that I think it was around here 5:40 people started to see that the news of the FTC approving the merger came in around 5:40, and that caused the stock to go up significantly, and it continued to go up. So this is my portfolio. This is how it affects my portfolio because I have so many shares, because I have 1,000 shares of FMCI. The smallest of movements largely affect my portfolio. So let's actually look at FMCI and see what happened there. As we can see in the last week, it's pretty much been trading sideways from 17 and then back and then down, and now it's going back up to 16. So today it was around 1580. It went up to 1633 midday. It was at 1598 at the end of the day, and then the news started to propagate throughout social media and investor circles around, like I said, 520, 540. And from there, it went from 1597 all the way up to $16.99. That's a 6% increase in after hours trading. After hours trading doesn't usually move too much unless there's big news, and this is a big news. The FTC says, hey, FMCI, Tattooed Chef, you can go forward. You have our blessing. So tomorrow, when the market opens, we can expect a big boost in this stock. Even though we haven't even heard of the shareholder vote date, before that even comes out, we can expect a big boost. And by the time they announce when that date will be, we're going to be off to the races. So stay tuned on FMCI. If you haven't invested yet, do your due diligence. Look at the stock. Look at my previous video on why I'm investing over $15,000 in this company, Tattooed Chef, and why I'm so bullish on them. I'm already up 15% on FMCI, and just today I was up 6%, almost $1,000 today, and this stock only moved to less than $1. In all likelihoods, the share price of FMCI will be going up this week, if not tomorrow. And if you're a potential investor of FMCI, this means that there's even less risk in this deal, because one of the biggest regulatory hurdles has been crossed, which means that there's a lot less risk in this deal. And if you're interested, that means that you have a chance to get in before everyone else finds out. If you're interested in investing in FMCI Tattooed Chef, watch my previous video and understand what you are getting into and why I am so bullish on FMCI and think everyone should be investing in FMCI if they believe in the future of plant-based foods and a cleaner planet. And of course, if you're a new investor who hasn't gotten started yet, you can get a free stock by clicking the link in my description below to sign up for Robinhood. And when you do that, you get a free stock that could be Facebook, Microsoft, Visa, or any other company. That will get you off to a great start. And of course, then you can start investing in companies that you really believe in. So get started today and never look back, because the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. And the most rewarding strategy is to invest for the long term. Put your money in and give it time to work for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.